Today we're going to be having a look at these. A set of 300 white and warm Firefly lights. This is a follow-up video to our NOMA sparkling twinkling lights video. You can see a link to that up there. This is a more modern equivalent. We're going to open these up and see what they're like. Before we have a look at these, I have a new purchase. This is part of the restoration of Pifco P-Rote and Snowmen lights. I bought another set of white lights with white cable, incandescent. I've bought several sets by now and they're all like completely different to each other. I bought a low voltage set which was more in line with what the original light cover had in regards to how thick and small the bulb holders and cable were. And then I got another set of white lights that will need to be extended into a full set and braided like these are. And they came out of a silhouette statue thing that you put in your window or hang on your wall. But then I came across these and I thought these are a little bit more acceptable. They're not too big, as you can see. They're just they're a nice size, and I think these will work quite well with what we need. And it's quite a new set as well. Let's have a little quick look on here what we've got. So these are for Homebase. That might be an item number there. Oh, actually no, that's the date, 15th of May 2007. So another year and these would be classed as vintage. Almost standardized bulbs, 12 volt 1.14 watt and 12 volt 1.08 watt for the fuse bulb. Model number 054200. Some little simple particulars, and don't know what's going on here. Weird. So these have a nice gap between them. I'd say that's about almost 6 inches. Quickly turn them on. Apologies for the flicker. I have no idea what this bulb was doing. There is a fuse bulb, and let me see if I can get rid of this flicker. Oh, that's a bit better. And the flicker is gone. I'm going to have to start using Blackmagic camera a little bit more. So we have a replacement fuse bulb in these. You can see it's got a different base, but it seems to be the right one. We do have a bulb out here. So we fix it. No, we need a replacement bulb, but I'm quite happy with these considering how old they are. They're 19 years old. They are nice, clean, and a good, crisp, warm white. Really good. See, there we go. So they look okay. So there's those. And these were not expensive. They, I think they cost me about £4 postage, which I'm not complaining too much about. Before we get into the main event, just a quick update on the NOMA lights. I have found variations. I did see shades like them before and had to scour through the archive, and they are a lot older than what I thought they were. We've got this set, which is from the 90s, has the exact same shades. And then we got this set. Now this set looks really old. Judging by the box artwork design, this could potentially be late 70s or very early 80s with this halo topper. And they have the same chrome plated plastic shades. It's got coloured bulbs. So they're a really old design, and they were used many years later to produce the twinkling lights, the twinkling and shimmering lights that we showed in our video. Again, if you didn't see that video, there is a link to it up there. Go check it out. And then I thought I would showcase these, which are a little bit more of a modern twist on the same kind of lights. I've been after a set of these for a long time. I just couldn't decide how I wanted to buy them. I didn't know whether I wanted all warm white, all cool white, or the combination. I went with the combination because at least it gives us a contrast of the different colours. So these are from Festive, and these were quite expensive when they came out. I've seen prices for up to £25. I paid £8 posted for these, which is really cheap because, again, they seem to hold their price, and they're quite new. 7.7 metres of lit length. It says the cable colour is green, but it looks more black to me. Indoor outdoor use, there's 300 of them, and they're called Firefly lights, and these are the genuine Firefly lights. So not much there. On this side, this might be a model number, so it's V00247. They're made in Sweden by the looks of it, because that's where the technical support is, support at festive.co.uk, but we featured a set of LED Festive lights before. You can check out a link to them up there. Only used on the transformer supplied. Not recommended for people who have photosensitivity, epilepsy, and how to dispose of them. They have approximately 8,000 hours worth of life. 32 volt transformer, which is quite high. They're usually a bit lower than that. 3.6 watts for the whole shebang. Bulb spacing is 2.6 centimeters. So these have white static bulbs and warm white twinkling bulbs. I assume that's what that says on there. And that's all she wrote on the box. So here's our transformer. It's a pretty generic transformer. It's a CZJUTAI power supply. Shanguai Electronics.co.limited. IP20 rating. And it has a generic fitment. So you can only fit them with this little notch, which they all seem to have. Doesn't have a timer function. I might experiment. I might try and get one of the NOMA easy timers. If it's the same voltage, I might see if it works, and then we can use it with a timer function. But there's your plug. There's nothing much to write about that. There's all your cable. And on here, just the same particulars again. Bulb rating, non-replaceable. So they're 3 volt bulbs, 0.008 amps and 0.024 watts. Gothenburg, Sweden. And it's just the same how to operate them again. There's not much to them, but to be fair, the cable does have a green tinge to it. Here's our end section here. The bulb spacing is not 2.5 centimeters. It might be, but it seems a lot less than me, maybe about 20 mil, but that's being generous. So they're quite tightly packed. It says there's 5 meters of lit length, but I'm not too sure, but we'll see how we go. I'll try them on a tree. But what I'll do next is I'll get them plugged in. And they are gloriously bright, very bright indeed. And, oh, we have a bulb out. I'm wondering whether these have been used outdoors at some point. These white bulbs are static, and the warm white bulbs have a random twinkling effect, just like the NOMA lights. And these are flashing differently from each other. Let's try 3. All 3 are completely different twinkling sequences, so they are completely random. That. So I'm going to switch to the other camera mode. It might be a bit flickery. Very flickery, but I'm going to turn the lights off. There we go. This is a more true representation of the colour and the brightness. You can see they are gloriously bright, and that's what they look like. You get warm white and cool white alternating, and they have this lovely soft twinkling effect. It is not too glaring on the eye. They are not very glaring. They have a dished, they're flat top, but they're concave. They have a dish, so you don't get the focusing effect that some LEDs do. Just a little bit there when you're looking towards the side. And the same goes for the warm white twinklers. Well, I just thought these were very interesting. I've been after a set for a while. I saw them. I first saw these about 2 years ago when I was playing my usual annual festive game of seeing if anybody has incandescent lights. But I can't find any incandescent lights, it seems, the last few years. Last year, I think I found one house. I didn't take any pictures because that's a little bit invasive, but I saw these on a house which was quite local to me, and I was tempted to go and knock and ask where they got them from, but I decided not to. I think, oh, I've just found another LED out. There's another one out there. I'm wondering whether these may have been used outside and they're not very good. We might have to do a little bit of investigation to see if we can fix these. It might just be a loose connection, like we fixed on our micro lights. Yeah, we've got a couple of blown LEDs there, so we might have to investigate and see if we can fix them. Might just be dry jointed or a loose connection. But anyway, back to these lights and where I saw them. I quite often drove past the house, and then one evening I saw they were coming back from shopping, and I just pulled over, rolled the window down, just said, "Excuse me, sorry to bother you. I am quite fond of the lights you have out on your hedges. Could you tell me where you got them from, please?" And she said, "Oh yeah, we might have the box inside." And I was like, brilliant. And she quickly went in. She said, "I think it's been put away. But if you give me your number, I'll let you know where we got them from." So I gave them my number. And then a couple of days later, I got a text message and they explained that they were these. They were festive white and warm white Firefly lights. And then I just kept looking. But again, they were expensive to buy second hand, strangely enough. Probably because they're quite new. These obviously, I couldn't find a batch code on them or anything to see what the date was, but they're quite a new light, but they're using a new electronic version of the old analog style flashing mechanism, which is quite nice. They might be nice all warm white, so you get a bit more of a glow, so I might see if I can find an all warm white version. These, although it is warm white, it is more of a yellow colour. Let me explain. I will put the incandescent white lights back on, because these are the kind of lights that the warm white are emulating. You can see there's quite the difference in colour. This is more yellow than this. Far different colour to the cool white. But if I put them on top, you can see there is a slight difference. So they're not too bad. They're not as yellow as I thought they were. And they're a lot less brighter. This is more how you see it in reality. Obviously, these are not your eyes. This is the eye of a camera, but this is what they normally look like. I had a little play with the camera settings and you can really see the twinkle. It is not as profound as you're seeing it right now in real life. I've just adjusted the amount of light that the camera lens can let in, and you can really see how random they twinkle. Tell me what you think about these in the comments below. I quite like them. I think they've got a nice effect to them. I'm not adverse to LED lights. They're here to stay, and it's nice to see they're doing variations. Yes, they're still plain and boring and they've got no shades, but I think these would be better if they had a diffused, opaque, milky LED, which you can buy. Alarm panels and power units have had them for years, so maybe if they were a little bit more of a opaque colour, a softer diffused colour. But let me just spread these out a little bit. So there we go. There's the full spread, and you can really tell how random they twinkle. So let me know in the comments below what you think about these lights. If you want me to get a set of all warm white, I will try and find a set and showcase them. We might revisit these closer to Christmas and see if we can repair these bulbs that have failed. See if we can do some replacements. I have a selection of 3mm LEDs that we could use to replace them with. I might have to do a video of these. 10 hours worth of just random twinkling LED lights. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this slightly different video and you enjoyed the little unboxing of these plain lights and the update on the shades of the NOMA lights. And I will catch you all on the next one.